everybody, I'm Grant Goldstein, a financial analyst at I Know First, and today I'm going to be talking about AI in healthcare, which is frankly about to change everything. So I know a lot of people know about AI, but they really might not know what it is. So artificial intelligence is the ability for a machine to reflect human-like behavior in an intelligent manner. Artificial intelligence is the next best thing, and it's being implemented across industries from companies like McDonald's and Tesla Motors. Now, it's so powerful because the AI puts in information in its algorithm and better understands that data over time, finding patterns and recognizing them. One great example of this is in healthcare actually, where AI can take data from medical history, find patterns, and even be able to predict the likelihood of someone getting a disease, which is absolutely amazing. And researchers are so confident in AI's ability to transform healthcare that they're predicting it to be worth $19.5 billion by 2025 alone. One fundamental change that AI in healthcare is actually going to bring is telemedicine. So telemedicine is the ability to receive any healthcare from any distance, which is truly miraculous, especially for third world countries where finding a doctor could be extremely hard. The CEO of Babylon Health stated that regardless of wealth, circumstance, or location, individuals will be able to receive the top level health advice from anywhere in the world. Eliminating the need for people to actually go to a doctor's office will cut healthcare costs, as physical offices will no longer be necessary. But for now, doctors aren't going anywhere, and AI is actually helping doctors make their job a lot more effective. AI uses medical data to make more accurate and cost-saving decisions that can help save millions of lives. A great example of this comes from Thomas Jefferson University, where researchers actually gave AI 1,000 X-ray data to look at, and then that AI was able to determine if an individual had tuberculosis 96% of the time, an accuracy that's much better than a doctor's. AI in healthcare will also transform research. So the Institute of Cancer Research is already implementing AI to utilize data from people's DNA to figure out where they can find cancer and how they can beat it. AI can take in data from certain individuals with cancer and be able to determine where that mutation is formed and how the drug can treat that mutation from a DNA sequence. With over 600,000 people dying of cancer every single year in the United States alone, the ability for artificial intelligence to locate that disease swiftly will save millions of lives every year. So Oxford Hospital implemented AI to scan for heart disease, and BBC News reported if this was implemented in the United States and the UK, it would save $13.5 billion. There are two huge companies that are already getting into AI in healthcare, and one of those is Google. So Google's DeepMind is using AI to help the services of patients, nurses, and doctors. Google is already implementing DeepMind into London hospitals, where their AI is able to read OCT scans way more accurately than a doctor could. Now, IBM is also stepping into the healthcare business with IBM Watson Health. IBM Watson has partnered with the Cleveland Clinic Lerner College of Medicine to implement their AI to make the physician's decisions much more accurate and cost-saving. Recently, IBM launched an app using Watson AI called Sugar.IQ, and this is an app that uses AI to help people with diabetes meet their needs. I Know First sees the potential in healthcare and AI, and they're now getting into the business by utilizing their stock forecasting AI to put it into healthcare. I Know First met with the KST Medical Group to discuss a partnership between the two companies. In this possible partnership, I Know First would be able to study 270 million people's medical data from the top 1,000 Chinese hospitals. Once the AI processes the information from the medical data, it will be able to forecast the chances of an individual getting a certain disease. This is really important in China because 1 in 5 people die from a cardiovascular event. As you can see from this video, AI is really going to revolutionize healthcare. And if you would like to read more about this, read the article in the description below. Thank you guys.